Unlocking Secrets, A Man on the Inside. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in movies, books, and everyday conversations. A man on the inside. This expression is not just about a person's physical location but carries a deeper, more nuanced meaning. Let's unravel the layers together and discover how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. A man on the inside refers to someone who has special access, information, or influence within an organization, group, or situation, which is not readily available to outsiders. This person is often in a position to provide crucial information or assistance from within the organization. For example, in a corporate scenario, a man on the inside might leak confidential information to competitors. In a more positive light, this person could help law enforcement agencies by providing insider information to prevent crimes or solve cases. The meaning and implications of "a man on the inside" can vary greatly depending on the context. It can be used to describe a spy in a thriller novel, a whistleblower in a corporate scandal, or even a trusted contact within a bureaucratic system who can expedite processes that would otherwise take much longer. Understanding the context is key to comprehending the full significance of the phrase. It's not just about the words themselves but the situation and relationships they imply. When using "a man on the inside," it's important to consider the tone and implication of your message. This phrase can carry connotations of secrecy, exclusivity, and sometimes unethical behavior. Here are a few examples of how to use it in sentences. Thanks to our man on the inside, we knew exactly when the new product would launch. The police were able to arrest the gang members because they had a man on the inside. Having a man on the inside helped us navigate through the complex permit process. A man on the inside is a powerful phrase that illustrates the value of insider knowledge and the complexities of human relationships within organizations. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage, enriching your English vocabulary and conversational skills. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and connections they weave. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.